Welcome to Shadhok Chess Move. Another interesting chess game. Uh, Here, my opponent is from Pakistan, Mahmoud, and he's 2100. So I started white playing e4, e5. Now knight f3, knight c6. All are real Lopez opening. Though I don't follow all the names, I don't want to memorize, or some viewers, supporters on my channel says that, yeah, what opening do you like? But I think opening is just you need to know the opening principles, simple principles, not any name. Just develop faster. So, but it's not my opening a masterpiece. It's just my opponent played knight bt, knight g to e7, so it looks interesting. So but I have to castle faster because I need to improve my pieces, save my king, follow all common principles, major principles in opening, and try to control the center. So my opponent making two moves with knight, because bishop needs to go out for this is the bishop he want to bring now, then he must castle. So but I started immediate attack on the central pawns center by playing d4, and my bishop is also coming next. He captured, but yeah, but he captured. I think it helped me a lot. Now I am going to attack his I have to capture my pawn back, and I started attacking the knight. So he captured my knight, and queen capture. So my bishop and queen looking good, I think, in the opening stage. Only 7 moves in our game. So he is attacking my bishop. I have to save. I think all my chess folks know in my channel, they are only without 1-2 player they are losing. They don't follow the opening principles or basic because they are so low in rated. But I think at least 1200 people should understand. From 1200 to 2000 bishop is stronger, so we have to save it. So he is placing his bishop now, not castling. Is still not playing the bishop on e7 and not castling, and that means ignoring the opening development. So I think it's helping me. So he is bringing the bishop to b7, or maybe another fork. There's another target also by the bishop c5 to make my queen free. So I understand also that when I see one purpose is bishop b7, so another thing, maybe if I play f4, then immediately bishop c5 lost my queen. So I should be alert also. But I immediately I cannot push my e5. So I started improving my least piece. That means knight is least piece, or bishop, then rook should be connected. Still I'm in opening a stage. So he had started his queen now. So here I don't know what is he doing. Maybe his target to play here and go for checkmate, but he cannot play. My queen is there. I don't know, maybe just develop. Maybe his target to play d6 and bishop here castle. But I can't understand his attacking pattern. He's 2000. But he is making me afraid. So queen move, but it ignores another principle, because early queen move not good. Though I cannot push it, he said in capture it is another reason. That means my pawn is pinned. So I played, but I attacked g3 because queen is an opponent's a strong piece. I must attack, and if he enters my ace6, ace file, so I have to think here bishop should be here, and the queen will be eliminated again. So And so he understand, so he go back, and you see the bishop cannot move, and he is ignoring all the principles. So you getting strength or confidence that yeah, my opening is better. He is just making unnecessary moves with his strong pieces, where his bishop should be installed or castling should done, but he, so I'm just maybe still I'm improving my position here, because bishop g5 cannot be played now. Bishop e3 can stop the rook attack there. I want to next time maybe my pawn push, and I will try to open my file, my rook file there. So I developed a rook, and so queen attack, you see he make 3 queen moves. So I think my opponent ignoring all, and just I don't know, his rating is 2100, but I don't know why he playing queen move 1 2 3 queen moves now, and 2 knight moves also. You see knight on e7, knight g6. But I think it's helpful for me. He is helping me because, but he attacking the queen. If I move any higher queen, the bishop is hanging, so it's an attacking move. And if you want me to capture it, and the bishop is now improving, so it's another reason. So but I played not stay my queen. I want to attack the queen next time, but I think queen should be here, protecting my bishop. I played queen, and my next target, you can understand, attack the queen again. So but he started attacking with pawns, only queen and pawn attacking my bishop. So I think my bishop has a recovery. He has more attack on my knight, pushing the pawn, so I have to go back. So okay, I have to go back to bishop b3. So who is my chess supporters, please watch the full video, and try to watch the ads to help me, support me to get some revenue. So I think my supporters, don't need to tell them, they are still supporting me. And here, yeah, I started, maybe my bishop can be trapped, so I need to think now. But he is actually not playing with the pieces, just playing with the pawns and queens, 2 pawns. And he is threatening to play f5, ace a4, and my queen bishop can lose, so I have to play, but I attack the queen. It is also a developing move. Yeah, bishop e3, and queen must and the queen is again have to go. Then I can think how to save the bishop or sacrifice it. I still in this stage I'm trying to sacrifice something, but the bishop cannot be saved. I can sacrifice knight, he can capture, I can open the rook file, it's my target. But I think my rook bishop should be protected first. But okay, here attacking is that plan is just doing the pawn moves on flank side. But I think I'm still my bishop is so fine, and I'm now planning, because I see his piece is not developed yet, and I have some target of sack the knight and open my rook file, because queen king in the e file major pieces on the center, I have to open it. So he played another I think he totally ignoring or understanding my power, or I don't know, he does not know the rule, he doesn't know the rules of the principles of opening, or following it, just to make me threaten and challenging me. Okay, then I did it. I told that sometimes one moves ago I am going to sacrifice. I'm thinking about that, because I see many advantages in my favor now. So one knight cannot, it can help me. Oh yeah, I think he captures, and I make my queen rook, king rook, open file, semi-open. It's a bishop, it's still on the bishop. So I think, yeah, he still needs to develop pieces. So he has an attacking move, knight attack me. So my queen should be a good shape, a good square, because if I go back, there is some attack also, you see. If I play simple fork, I lost my queen. So I thought queen e7, I think then rook cannot be activated. So knight attacking me here. So I make some arrows, you see. Queen have to be careful. My queen and king can be in danger. This is a nice move, but I have to move my queen. So I played maybe the best square. I actually attacking the rook on a8, you see. Pawn push and capture, and prevented the knight on attack on f3. And maybe sometime I can go back if I get some attack. So his plan just, yeah, fix the knight there, but I have a recovery. You see, I have a attack on f4, but still I think my queen should go first, and bishop should move, and then I can pin the knight. So it's my target now. So maybe that's why I played queen go back, and now he can lose the knight. He must be careful. But yeah, he anyway moved the queen, and yeah, he is also hitting, trying to exchange my bishop and making everything equal. So but immediately I think place my bishop, and it is pinned. Let's see. I played my bishop d4 and trying to capture a pawn at least, no problem. And at least I can win a pawn. If he plays this, I can capture bishop, knight, and want to win a pawn here. And this pawn push, there is always an rook queen captures, so it's the threat. And my time is 4 minutes, you see. So I have to, but my position is better, you see, attacking position. That means the opponent king is in the center, so he played f6, not giving the pawn, but it is now pinned. I think everyone can see 22 move, 22nd move. Now f4 is played, and I am winning a piece now. I think my effort getting the result, or so I think queen protecting, but what, I don't know. Okay, queen cannot capture anything here, so but still I'm playing c4. I don't know why. Maybe c4, and I want to play c5 next, because I see that knight is pinned. He cannot move the knight. I'm going to gain the knight, but I can make some imbalance and make the pawn push c5, because if he captures the same pattern, thinking attack on his rook, I will activate that rook. So bishop d7 is still, I can take, or I can push the c5. Maybe I pushed it, I don't know. He's protecting the b5 pawn also. I think I should capture the knight. So yeah, I think I captured it, because I'm winning a pawn, not a pawn, sorry. He can capture, and it is pinned. He cannot attack me, so I started attacking here, not do a capture on b5, just pushing and trying to make it capture and make the pawn alone. Or so, let's see. But it castled, and my bishop is now under attack, so I have to save it. I think I play bishop f2, because now my target can shift, because my rook can go there now. King is in the same open file, so I think it's easy. But 3 minutes, half of the minute, my opponent has double move, but I think all attack in my favor, because still his piece is not developed on queen side, king side, and his king again goes to the open file, semi-open file. It's attacking. It's not good for opponent king, because I'm opening the file, but he not heeding that. He want to make imbalance on my king side, but he cannot do anything here. You see, if he captures bishop, can capture on g3, or if he pushes pawn, there is no checkmate threat. Pushes pawn, my queen can go to challenge. So I think I have to capture, or I have to, what is the best, or place rook first. I'm not capturing, maybe placing the rook, because now I'm threatening to capture a free pawn. And so anything can happen now, anything bad. But yeah, he plays the king to b8. So another, you see, you get another piece now. Do you find that? So I'm waiting for your comment here. And it's so easy, because now I'm not capturing the pawn, I'm pushing the pawn, because, and if he moves the bishop, then another fork, you see, pawn push, and he can lose the rook. but he captured here, just attacking my bishop, and yeah, threatening to capture another ace pawn here with check, or maybe bishop he's capturing bishop and winning a piece. But I think I'm faster here. I'm faster. I can push. Oh, sorry, I could go for check. I think I missed that. Pawn push check and make a queen. Make a queen. Yeah, I missed that. But I am afraid a bit because I want to activate my bishop there. Yeah, 20 minutes recorded. So here I will just make a back, a push, capture my bishop. So I think I can play anytime that it is forced that he is losing a bishop at least, or push the pawn next time. So I'm capturing. I'm not. So just capturing this pawn, but he cannot save this bishop here. So he played and understand that rook should be protected, and he saved the rook, but I captured the bishop and he should go back. So now it is easy for me. Just capture one pair of rooks. I could do that, but until I make something attacking a tactical move, because now I want to capture. If he captures queen, then I can take all pawns. So but he's still ignoring the position. He making some okay, bishop is trying to play here. That's the reason how. But yeah, I captured one of the rooks, because now my next rook is going to join the attack. If queen captures, I'm winning a bishop b pawn, and it captures with the king. He saw that, so now I want to install my rook on c6, and that time it was a live session. My viewers are telling that yeah, play the rook c6, and yeah, and this is hide this pawn. You cannot save. Can you save it? You can save. You saved it, but I have this move maybe, and then I think I find that move easily. Only 1 minute in my clock now. 1 minute and 50 seconds. But I captured something. Okay, I captured here because there's another fork, another double attack on king and queen. King and queen with my king and rook. Sorry. So he cannot capture. So he understand that, saved that. But now I see that yeah, not capture. I could capture free pawn, but I think yeah, this is the attack now. The same. Sometimes like I need to think. I thought while commenting. So I played it because then this pawn is double. Have a double attack on with my rook and queen. So after this, maybe he resigned this king. So thank you, my viewers. I think you will enjoy the game, and if you like my video, please hit on like and write a nice comment.